Have you been struggling how to cook crunchy chips? Well, I got you covered. Today we'll be cooking chips. So you'll start with your potatoes and then you will just peel them, and then after peeling you make them to your desired shape such that it can form the shape of chips. And then after that you put your chips on water and then you wash it. Then you dry them in another bowl. Ensure that all water goes out from your chips. Do that for all the chips that you are. 2 spoons of ungangano, and then combine them all together. The ungangano will help to form the crunchiness of the chips. Make sure they are all combined, well combined. And then in a pan, add a generous amount of oil. You leave the oil to heat such that it becomes hot. After becoming hot, add your chips into the oil. After that, cook a little bit. Keep on turning so that they can get burn. And then after that, cooked a little bit, remove them. Eat again the oil and then put the chips, the chicken down and then you fry it until it becomes golden brown, and you are still going to for me I like the golden brown with chips. At this point they are very crunchy, they are nothing, a lot of oil, they are very crunchy, which I like them to fry. Then you remove them one by one. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you like, share and comment so that we can grow together. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.